If you got the access not configured error in Telegram while trying to connect to ClawBot, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So it will give you your Telegram user ID, it will give you your pairing code, and it will tell you that the access is not configured. So this error does actually mean that you didn't actually finalize the connection. So now to finalize the connection, you need to actually open OpenClaw on your CMD as seen from here, and then you need to write this exact command. So you need to write OpenClaw pairing approve Telegram. Then you need to write your pairing code that the Telegram bot does actually give you. After you write this code that Telegram gives you, you need to click on enter, and now the connection will be finalized and you won't have the error again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.